For over 50 years, ClearPath has secured some of the most sensitive data found around the world. You have utilized that security to build and deploy your own applications, but with workforce renewal efforts becoming ever more challenging, maintaining and extending those applications have become a costly problem. Now you have a solution. Introducing Python, Java, and Git on ClearPath OS 2200. Leveraging ClearPath Extension Kit, this new capability enables you to extend existing applications as well as create new ones. With the ability to house source control in Git, as well as develop in Python or Java, all under the secure control of OS 2200, you are empowered like never before, allowing you to utilize the contemporary tools and skill sets you already possess. The growth potential is limitless.